This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Beautiful Colonial West/5 bedroom and 5 full bath, 5,000 plus finished square feet. Former builder model home West/gorgeous stucco and stone exterior. 2-story foyer, study and formal dining room West/chair rail and crown molding. Family room West/Palladian windows and vaulted ceiling. Gas fireplace with beautifully lit mantel. Double dual staircases. Gourmet kitchen West/granite counters, center island West/cooktop, stainless steel appliances, Kenmore Elite double stainless convectional ovens, raised panel 42 inches cabinets West/moldings, breakfast bar, spacious pantry and large windows. Wide plank hardwood floors. Main level laundry room West/front loading washer and dryer and tile flooring. Master bedroom West/sitting area and recessed lighting. His enter walk-in closets. Master bath West/dual separate vanities and Corian counters, jetted soaking tub and separate shower. 4 more spacious bedrooms. Fully finished walk-out basement West.